Excellent. Okay. Now, cancel out all the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, leaving me with one of those. 1, 2, 3, leaving me with this. However, I have a problem. I cannot write an answer that says -10 positive 4. That doesn't work. This isn't a number that I can use as an answer. But what I can do is I can borrow these. This is 110, or 10 ones. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to move it into this column. I need 10. Excuse me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was 1 here. Because it's a 10, moving it in here, I end up with 10 of these. And once again, I can cancel. All the zeros are gone, leaving me with the answer to the question. -6. Next example. And if you're wondering why I'm doing so many examples, first of all, it's because many of these questions are a little bit different. Some of them have carrying, some of them borrowing, some of them have none of that, but also because my students are going to be doing this assignment at home, or at least some of it at home, and they will be able to watch this at home and figure out if they're doing the questions right or not. Example, beginning of the question, +13, add +48, there's the 4, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, now I'm adding 8 more into here. However, that's going to bring me up to more than 10. It's going to actually 8 plus that's going to be 11, so I'm going to take 2 of these, combine them with the 8 that I've got, that's a 10. So I'll just move that over here, which of course simply adds an additional 1, which gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. This is, of course, +61. Next example. Starting with +41. Now I'm asked to subtract -31. I don't have -31. I'm going to have to add a bunch of zeros. I know I'm going to need 3 10s, so I'll throw, there's 1 and 2 and 3, and I'm going to know I need 1 negative, so I'll put that in here. And now, this is still currently +41. I'll take away my 30 and 1 negatives, leaving me with my answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 72 positives. Next example. +13. Now we're going to add -16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two cancel. These all cancel each other out, leaving you with the answer, -3. Next example. Starting at -29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9. Take away negative 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Leaving me with my answer, negative 31. Next example. Negative 59. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus 86. Again, these are not going in the hundreds column. I'm just out of room. 3, 4, 5. And see how I'm leaving a little bit of room between these two groups? That's because I know these are going to cancel out, and then it's a whole lot easier to just move those out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is also in the ones column. You might be wondering, why in the world didn't I make these wider? Well, because in later lessons, we end up using this section. But that comes later. So, that cancels, leaving me with those as 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those cancel. Again, I've got a small problem. Positive and negatives, can't do this. I'm going to have to borrow. So this is a 10. So I need 10 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here come 10. There's the first 3, and this is 7 more. These will cancel. This will leave me with the answer of positive 27. That is how you can add and subtract positive and negative numbers that are greater than 2 digits.